So we start off today's video with someone who has around mid-length hair. Oh, wow, beautiful shaggy wolf cut style. Oh, she looks amazing. Absolutely gorgeous transformation and right on trend with all the styles that we are seeing in 2023. So beautiful. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we will be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have the stylist doing a cut and color change. So it looks like he's doing like a mushroom pixie style with an undercut. Adding in some purple. Wow. Oh, this is so beautiful. Loving the boldness of the hair shade, the cut, everything. So pretty. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to like today's video. Give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have another long to short with this pixie bob haircut. Followed by someone else who has a pixie. She decided to switch up her color to this really pretty fuchsia shade. Wow. Loving all the bold colors we're seeing this season. This is gorgeous and it matches her eyeshadow perfectly. So pretty. I also love the thickness and the fullness that her hair has. And then we have someone doing a big chop here. So it looks like she's doing a complete buzz cut with this hair change. Oh, she looks beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Next up, we see another pixie undercut. This one does feature some two-tone coloring, blonde at the top. Really like the edginess behind this particular hairstyle. So pretty. And then we have someone, it looks like she is in for a cut refresh. Getting her hair trimmed into more of a traditional pixie shape. Very Very nice choppy texture. Very nice. Love the choppy texture, especially in the back with this one as well. Gorgeous. Wow, here we have another beautiful lavender pixie. I have a feeling that purple, when it comes to the world of fashion, hair, nails, it might be a huge trend that we are seeing heading into 2024, just because I'm seeing a lot more of it across the board. What do you guys think of purple colored hair? Leave me your thoughts in the comments below. Is this a trend that you want to see take off in the beauty world? And I think that this would be more of a subtle way to wear the trend because it almost looks like gray. It's like a very light lavender gray tone. And then we see a bob with bangs. Beautiful blunt cut and ends with this particular style. And as you guys know, bobs with bangs are a huge trend that we are seeing in 2023. And then we move into another hair transformation. Looks like the stylist is adding some layers. Curtain bangs. Nice, fresh, shoulder length, layered haircut. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.